there's a hanger hanging out.
Oh. Look at that nasty exhaust leak. That's part of the reason why we're installing the exhaust.
Yeah, but it's from wish.com, so we don't know how good it's gonna be.
Yeah, or any of the fitment. You want to see this masterpiece of an exhaust? Do you have a knife? Thanks.
Gotta say, I've never heard of them before.
Me either. 4.5 inch tip. Yes, that was the goal. You want to see Magic Jack? You can't see what Kyle's saying? No, you can see what Kyle's saying.
What the hell?
Fog. Not the most healthy startup ever, but... Thumbnail, hold on.
Tiny buckle flames. Big one.
Damn, this boy's already working.
Because he bolted it inside.
From fucking Christmas?
Is there an extended 15?
Oh my god. Why was it on such a terrible box? Well, at least there's some still in there.
I messed up your time lapse, so I'm gonna fix it. There's a lot of light coming in from the garage. I don't think this is a good angle.
Oh, Will, you had a much bigger exhaust leak than I thought. Your mid-pipe was just broke.
Really? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Sitting there catching up with your mom, you guys are installing my exhaust. It's supposed to fit at least a little bit. What?
Oh yeah, baby.
It doesn't fit at all.
Not even close.
Let's just bolt up the mid-pipe.
There's nothing for it to hang to.
Yeah, we'll figure that one out once we get there.
Well, we're there. There's nothing to bolt it to.
Alright, will you bolt it up, Ben, or you want me to?
You got that.
Alright. Yeah, I just shitty bolted this up. Now let's see how that tip fits.
Get it?
Yeah, it's on there.
Up
Yeah,
top.
we need to secure it somehow. But it's on. Put it like through that little hole too. Okay. Oh yeah, get this one ready. This last.
Alright, well, let's clean everything up.
Start this puppy.
A bunch of people comment saying Kyle's wing is on backwards. I guess it's like weird on video. I don't know, maybe we are, but
Nah, we're good.
ooh.
Ew. Alright, let's take the silencer off. Oh yeah. Rev it up a little bit.
Look how jank that looks. He bought me a do-rag, and he fucking just bought college.
I know, I was in there with him.
Oh my god. It's the worst sounding thing I've ever heard.
Sierra was really like, guys, they can see you ordering that many McChickens.
Boom, baby. Alright, all that, just cancel the order.
Later.
really did go right across the street. That was probably the coolest shit I've ever seen. They got the cherry picker going.
What is he doing?
No fucking way. No way.
Yo, do it. Alright, what is going on, everyone? Welcome into the video. Right now it's like 1 in the morning. I just finished up editing. Probably just spent about 5 hours editing. As always, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on next Sunday. Peace.